This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos and files from a USB device connected to your Fire HD 10 tablet. So if you got like pictures or movies or something that you want to watch, you're going to need an OTG adapter or something that will take USB and turn it into USB-C. So you can see I have this USB drive right here. And this one also comes with a USB on the back, which is convenient because then I don't need one of these adapters. So I can just plug in this adapter. You can get one of these adapters offline for like $3, Amazon.com. And then looks like we have the USB port on the top, so we can just connect it now right where it charges. USB-C, so that's what it looks like. Brilliant. Now what we're looking for is called files. So we can just swipe. We can just look and, well, here it is, files right there. So we can search web, videos, and more. We try just searching through here, files, it will pop up under here. I don't think it will. So go to search. See if you have this on your device. We're going to have to look through the App Store though. So let's go over here. And then this is where we need to search files. And then under the App Store, we should be able to download files by Google. We could get that too. That'd be convenient if we want to go ahead and get that. But there's also one on our device.